Hello, I'm Robert with Ayla Networks. Are you an engineer or developer exploring options for an end-to-end smart home solution? Today, I'm going to demonstrate FastTrack, the Ayla IoT Platform. The solution includes a 5-star user app, a managed cloud service, and end-device hardware and software. It's called FastTrack because the solution can be launched quickly to connect your personalized products using a proven solution at the lowest cost and scales globally to support your growing product line and features. The Ayla platform is used by many of today's top major brands, supporting millions of devices. Let me show you how this works. First, let's start with the end user experience. That's the app. If you prefer, you could begin your smart home development using Ayla's pre-built, off-the-shelf app that is ready to be branded with your custom colors and images. Check out some of these example solutions from some of our existing customers, such as SharkNinja Vacuums and Schneider Electric for energy management. The user app is easy to modify and gets you into production quickly. This is a proven solution and has already received thousands of 5-star reviews. Let's take a look at one of our customers' iOS apps. So I'm browsing for the SharkNinja app. Here it is. So you can see this app has been reviewed by almost 100,000 customers and has an almost perfect 5-star rating. Instead of Ayla's off-the-shelf app, you can choose to incorporate the Ayla platform directly into your already existing customer app for a truly personalized user experience. Let's take a closer look at the app. What I'm showing you here is a generic version of the Ayla off-the-shelf FastTrack app. It gets you up and running very quickly with practically no software development. A first-time user will be very comfortable using this app because it is easy to use and intuitive. At first, the device list is empty because I haven't added any devices to the app yet. But before I get there, let's glance at some of the account options in the app. Here, the user can edit their user profile or change their password. There's also a useful help section that is customized with your own branded support information. This really helps to reduce your customer support calls. If you're a device developer, you have lots of options regarding how to best integrate FastTrack and remote connectivity into your device. It can be as simple as adding or modifying the communication module in your design, or you can integrate Ayla's IoT platform directly into your existing CPU and firmware. If you're a retailer, you can select from a growing library of white label smart devices and device types. Now let's get to adding my first device. I'm going to add a FastTrack smart bulb for this demonstration. To add a device, I press the plus sign at the top of the screen. From there, I'll follow simple instructions presented on the screen. First, I select the device type that I'm installing, in this case, a smart bulb. Then I follow the instructions on how to enable pairing mode on the device. Here, it's asking me to install the bulb, so let me do that. Next, I'm going to power on the bulb. Notice that the bulb begins to blink. That means it's ready to be paired with the system. After a few moments, the app asks which local Wi-Fi network to use, assuming there's more than one network in the area. I'll enter my Wi-Fi password. This ensures a secure network connection. Note that if your device supports Bluetooth to communicate with the app, the pairing is even easier. In that case, several of these steps are not necessary and skipped, but my bulb for this demo is Wi-Fi only. Now that the bulb is connected, I can add a custom name for the device. I'll call this Office Lamp. Success! The smart bulb is now integrated into my smart home. So check out the operation of the bulb. Here you can see the extremely fast response time from the app to the actual device. There's practically no delay between me pressing the app button and the response from the lamp. This is quick, much faster than most other smart home solutions. Device responsiveness is important to most end users and can really improve the customer experience. Think about it. Every time I press the button, the app is communicating with the cloud, and the cloud is communicating with the bulb. So a lot is going on every time the bulb is switched on or off. FastTrack supports simple and complex devices. Your specific smart device may have many other properties besides on and off. For example, this bulb supports colors and brightness. So here you can see how the app presents some of these properties to the user and can be adjusted. Although the app is simple to use, this is not a bare bones product. The app supports many advanced features, such as schedules, where you can modify device properties at any predetermined time, such as turning on landscape lighting at sunset. Timer. For example, you could turn off a light after X number of minutes. History and usage, where the user can see exactly what's happened with the device over time. There's even rule support, where device actions can automatically trigger other device activities like opening a door will turn on a light. So this app does it all, and yet it's provided to you as a ready-to-go production solution. Consider this. There are over 120 app screens that are implemented by the FastTrack app that supports all sorts of features and situations. Not just the normal events, but it supports many of the errors and corner conditions that you don't always think about, such as Wi-Fi connectivity issues, password failures, and things like that. Imagine the time and resources you would need to develop and debug an app like this from scratch. It would be huge. Also, the Ayla app is fully customizable, so you're not forced into a cookie-cutter solution. The app can be as branded and personalized as you want it to be. Okay, so that's the end user experience. What about backend tools and dashboards? This is where your developers can get in to create and debug devices and support all the device properties. The dashboards are also used by your customer support team to help address customer questions and support issues such as password resets and firmware updates. Here's the dashboard. It's cloud-based and can be accessed through the browser. Let's go through a few typical back-end scenarios. For example, imagine customer support receiving a customer call regarding a forgotten password. Here, the agent can enter the customer email or other ID, find their account, and with the press of a button, generate a new password request email to be sent to the user. Another example scenario is a customer calling about a device that's offline or not functioning. Looking up the device, the agent can view the customer's device status to help determine what might be wrong. Perhaps the agent will find that the battery level of the device is low and can recommend that the user replace or recharge their battery to restore functionality. The dashboard can also be used to support over-the-air software or firmware updates. For example, an update job can be created to update all remote devices with a specific firmware revision to bring it up to date. Or perhaps you only want to update remote devices that have experienced a specific error code. The updates can be scheduled to occur immediately or update later on a schedule that you define. All this functionality is available out of the box with the Ayla IoT platform. Little to no development is required. The platform and dashboards have been proven over years of experience with global customers and enhanced continuously with new features. So that was a quick demo of the IoT platform, including the user app and some of its back-end dashboards. You can see that the solution is easy to use and ready to go. Let us know if you'd like a personalized demo of the Ayla IoT platform in FastTrack, or if you have any questions that might not have been addressed by this demo. We are happy to help you move forward with your IoT home solution. Thanks.